Since we have been talking about Netcat, I just want to clarify that Netcat, it's not only a Windows or Linux tool. Actually, it can be used on Android as well, and even Apple iOS. And you can download the Netcat tool from Apple Store. So if you go to Apple Store here, and you go to Netcat, you will find many of those free tools. So it can be used between Windows and Linux, or between Windows and Android, or Linux and Android. So it's a generic tool. It can be used in all cases. So as you can see, we have different Netcat tools. I'm just going to show you one of them because they are different in ways that and be aware, not Netcat, not Netcat. This is different tool. So Netcat, like this one for instance, I already downloaded, and you open, and it open a listener on any port you choose, and you click on listen, it will listen. Then you can connect from any other device using NC from Kali Linux or Windows, and it will connect. But this one is only for chatting. But if you search, you will find some Netcat tool, especially this one. It's for that allow you to connect and send file and so on. So my point is Netcat, it's a generic tool. It works on any platform. And during the attack section, you're going to see how utilize such feature to connect between different devices and upload and download file and get full access and remote administration on different devices.